Hi, and welcome to week 8, Theology and Historiography. We've come to the end of the course, and we have 2 more papers and 1 discussion group this week. So it's going to be a busy week, and you're going to be able to kind of put the whole course together, which I'm excited about. But goals. This week, we're going to analyze an academic publication examining the importance of historiography for Christian theology. We're also going to summarize the theological significance of historiography, allowing you to kind of pull the course together, and then finally reflect upon one's learning in the course and integrate this learning with other courses. So our first assignment, assignment 8.1, is a Cole evaluation. And I want you to write a 3-page paper evaluating Graham Cole's article, The Perils of a Historyless Systematic Theology. What are the perils of a historyless systematic theology? So the first part of the paper is to summarize what Cole is arguing, and then what are the strengths and weaknesses of Cole's arguments. Now, to do that, you're going to need more than just personal reflection. You're going to need evidence. Why do you believe, as supported by biblical passages or outside research, what are the strengths of Cole's argument, and where do you disagree? What are his weaknesses? In assignment 8.2, it's a reflection paper. Much of the Bible is history. The importance of knowing how to defend, interpret, and apply biblical history cannot be underestimated. In a reflection paper, describe some of the key lessons you have learned in this course and integrate them with other areas of ministry or Bible study, such as theology, ethics, hermeneutics, homiletics, and spiritual growth. So I want you to reflect upon what have you learned. And then the key to this reflection is integrating that into your hermeneutical or biblical interpretation methodology, homiletics, preaching, or spiritual growth. So it's more than just I learned blank, but then how are you going to apply that moving forward? Start by reading over the course objectives. What have you achieved this semester? And I feel that the class has achieved a lot. There are lots of ways you could take this assignment, and one great way to do it is to look back over weeks 1 through 7, and what were some of the key points that you did not know before you entered the course that you now know, or you knew before you entered the course, but you have a better understanding of them now. And then how does this learning complement or strengthen other objectives in your courses or program? So first is, what did you learn in this course and how can you apply it? Second, what have you learned in this course that fits into the broader understanding of your master's program? Your paper should be about 2 pages long. Since this is a personal reflection paper, and because it's one of your last papers, you do not have to use outside resources. Then in our discussion post, identify your most significant personal takeaway from the book of Ruth. In what ways did studying Ruth minister to you in a lasting way? Or what lessons did you receive from God's word I'll say that again. Or what lessons did you receive from God's word that you know will remain in your memory? So in this one, I would love some support from the Bible. A use of support from outside resources would be very helpful. But it's really reflecting on the course, and especially as it applies to your study of Ruth. What did you learn and what will you take away? So on assignment 8.2 and the discussion post, I'm looking for these to be truly reflective and not as much academic. Your first post is due on Friday, with ongoing engagement over the weekend, concluding on Monday. Don't forget to complete your course evaluations. I use them and Moody uses them so that I can be a better professor and Moody can be a better school. And as always, call me or email me with any questions. As we approach the end of the week, I'll do a last video talking about last bits that need to take place as far as grading and posting of grades. But at this point, we're just about to the finish line. Stay the course. I appreciate all the work that you've done over the semester, and I hope that your study of Ruth has been as rewarding to you as you hoped. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.